Top 25 Assistant Plumber Interview Questions and Answers. Preparing for an assistant plumber interview requires understanding both technical skills and workplace responsibilities. This guide offers 25 common interview questions with concise, professional answers to help you confidently approach your plumbing career opportunity. 1. Can you describe your experience working as an assistant plumber? I have assisted senior plumbers in installing, repairing, and maintaining various plumbing systems, including water supply lines, drainage systems, and fixtures. My experience includes using hand tools, reading blueprints, and following safety protocols. I have worked on residential and small commercial projects, ensuring quality and timely completion of tasks. I am skilled at preparing work areas, handling materials, and cleaning up after jobs. My focus is on supporting lead plumbers effectively, learning from their expertise, and ensuring smooth workflow on every project. 2. What safety precautions do you follow while working on plumbing jobs? Safety is a top priority in plumbing work. I always wear proper personal protective equipment, such as gloves, safety glasses, and work boots. I follow lockout-tagout procedures for water and electrical systems when necessary. I use ladders safely, handle tools correctly, and ensure work areas remain clean and hazard-free. I am aware of confined space safety and proper ventilation requirements. Additionally, I follow guidelines for handling chemicals like pipe adhesives and cleaners. These precautions ensure both personal safety and the safety of others on site. 3. How do you handle working in confined or uncomfortable spaces? I understand that plumbing often requires working in small, dark, or uncomfortable spaces such as crawl spaces, under sinks, or behind walls. I prepare by wearing appropriate gear, such as knee pads and protective clothing. I use portable lighting to improve visibility and ensure proper ventilation when needed. I stay calm, organized, and efficient to complete the work without unnecessary delays. I also follow all safety procedures for confined spaces, ensuring I avoid fatigue, maintain focus, and prioritize my health while completing the task. 4. Can you read and understand plumbing blueprints? Yes, I am trained in reading plumbing blueprints and diagrams. I can identify water supply lines, drainage lines, vent systems, and fixture locations. Understanding blueprints allows me to assist the lead plumber in preparing materials, measuring accurately, and ensuring installations match the design specifications. This skill helps in avoiding mistakes, reducing waste, and saving time on projects. I am also familiar with interpreting symbols and codes used in plumbing drawings, which enables me to work efficiently and contribute effectively to the project's success. 5. How do you ensure accuracy in your measurements and cuts? Accuracy is essential in plumbing to avoid leaks, fitting issues, or wasted materials. I always double-check measurements using tape measures, rulers, or specialized plumbing gauges. I mark cut points clearly and use the right tools, such as pipe cutters or saws, to make precise cuts. After cutting, I smooth edges to ensure proper fitting. I believe in the measure twice, cut once principle. This attention to detail ensures the installation is correct, reduces rework, and helps maintain professional standards on every plumbing job. 6. What types of plumbing tools are you experienced with? I am experienced with a variety of plumbing tools, including pipe wrenches, basin wrenches, pipe cutters, pliers, plungers, and augers. I also use soldering equipment for copper pipes and threading tools for steel pipes. I am familiar with using Teflon tape, sealants, and measuring devices. Additionally, I can handle power tools like drills and reciprocating saws when needed. I maintain tools properly, keeping them clean and in good working condition to ensure efficiency, safety, and quality results during plumbing installations, repairs, and maintenance work. 7. How do you handle heavy lifting or physically demanding work? Plumbing often requires lifting heavy pipes, fixtures, and equipment. I use proper lifting techniques, bending my knees and keeping my back straight to avoid injury. For extremely heavy items, I use lifting straps, dollies, or request team assistance. I maintain my physical fitness to handle the demands of the job and take breaks when needed to prevent strain. I understand the importance of pacing myself during long days while ensuring productivity remains high. This approach allows me to work safely and efficiently on physically demanding tasks. 8. How do you assist in diagnosing plumbing problems? When diagnosing plumbing problems, I first listen to the customer's concerns and observe any visible signs like leaks, water stains, or unusual noises. I assist the lead plumber by gathering tools, taking measurements, and conducting preliminary checks such as testing water pressure or inspecting drains. I also help by documenting findings and preparing the work area for repairs. My role is to support the plumber's troubleshooting process, ensuring they have the necessary information and materials to identify the root cause and resolve the issue quickly. 9. Can you work effectively as part of a team? Yes, teamwork is essential in plumbing projects. I communicate clearly with the lead plumber and other team members to ensure tasks are coordinated effectively. I am open to feedback and willing to assist wherever needed. I respect each team member's role and contribute by staying organized, being proactive, and helping to solve problems. Working together ensures projects are completed safely, efficiently, and to a high standard. I believe a cooperative attitude strengthens workplace relationships and improves overall job performance for the entire crew. 10. How do you manage your time on the job? I manage my time by prioritizing tasks according to urgency and importance. I prepare tools and materials before starting work to avoid delays. I follow the lead plumber's instructions and complete my assignments promptly. I also keep track of progress and adjust my pace as needed to meet deadlines. When possible, I anticipate upcoming tasks to stay ahead. Time management ensures the job runs smoothly, reduces downtime, and keeps customers satisfied. Efficiency is key in completing plumbing projects within the agreed schedule. 11. How do you handle customer interactions professionally? I greet customers politely and listen carefully to their concerns. I explain tasks clearly without using overly technical terms and keep them updated on progress. I maintain a respectful attitude, even in stressful situations. If I cannot answer a question, I refer them to the lead plumber for accurate information. I avoid leaving any mess behind and ensure the work area is tidy. Professional communication and courteous behavior help build trust, improve customer satisfaction, and encourage positive reviews or referrals for future plumbing work. 12. What steps do you take to prevent water damage during repairs? Before starting any repair, I shut off the main or relevant water supply to prevent leaks or flooding. I use buckets, towels, or wet/dry vacuums to manage residual water. Protective coverings are placed over floors or nearby furniture. I work efficiently to minimize downtime in water service. After repairs, I carefully check for leaks before restoring water flow. These preventive measures not only protect the property but also demonstrate professionalism, attention to detail, and respect for the customer's home or workplace environment. 13. How familiar are you with local plumbing codes and regulations? I have a basic understanding of local plumbing codes and regulations, including installation standards, venting requirements, and safety guidelines. While I rely on the lead plumber for final compliance decisions, I ensure my work supports code adherence. I stay updated by reviewing relevant manuals or attending safety meetings. Following codes prevents costly rework, ensures safety, and maintains legal compliance. My goal is to assist in delivering work that meets both technical and legal requirements for every project, whether residential, commercial, or industrial. 14. How do you maintain your tools and equipment? I clean tools after every job to prevent rust, corrosion, or buildup of debris. Moving parts are lubricated as needed, and I store tools in a dry, organized space. Damaged tools are repaired or replaced promptly to ensure safety. I perform routine checks on power tools for functionality and battery life. By keeping tools in good condition, I ensure efficiency, extend their lifespan, and maintain a professional standard of work. Proper tool care also reduces delays caused by malfunctioning or missing equipment. 15. Can you describe a time you learned a new plumbing skill quickly? On one project, the lead plumber introduced a new type of push-to-connect fitting I had never used before. I observed his demonstration, asked clarifying questions, and practiced on scrap pipes until I was confident. By the end of the day, I was assisting in installing several fittings efficiently. This experience showed my ability to adapt quickly, learn hands-on, and follow guidance accurately. Being open to learning new techniques helps me stay current with industry changes and improve my skills as an assistant plumber. 16. How do you assist with pipe installation? I start by preparing the work area and gathering the necessary tools and materials. I measure and mark the pipe locations according to the blueprint or lead plumber's instructions. I cut and prepare pipes, ensuring smooth edges for proper connections. I assist in positioning pipes, holding them steady, and securing them with fittings or brackets. I also help in sealing joints and testing for leaks. My goal is to support the lead plumber in ensuring the installation is accurate, efficient, and meets quality standards. 17. How do you approach working in emergency plumbing situations? In emergencies, I stay calm and focused. I quickly gather necessary tools and follow the lead plumber's instructions to address the issue. Whether it's a burst pipe, clogged drain, or major leak, I assist in shutting off water supplies, containing damage, and preparing replacement materials. Time is critical in such situations, so I work efficiently while maintaining safety standards. Clear communication with the team ensures that the problem is resolved promptly, minimizing disruption and preventing further property damage for the customer. 18. How do you ensure a leak repair is done correctly? I begin by identifying the exact source of the leak and preparing the necessary tools and materials. I assist in shutting off water and removing damaged sections if needed. I ensure connections are clean and properly sealed using the correct materials. After repairs, I help conduct pressure tests to confirm no leaks remain. I clean the work area and restore water supply, checking again for drips. This step-by-step approach guarantees a lasting repair and maintains the trust and satisfaction of the customer. 19. How do you prepare for a day's work on a plumbing site? I start by reviewing the day's tasks and checking the required tools and materials. I load equipment into the work vehicle, ensuring everything is in working condition. Upon arrival, I help set up the site by unloading tools, organizing the workspace, and laying protective covers if needed. I also review safety measures and clarify instructions with the lead plumber. Being well-prepared prevents delays, increases efficiency, and ensures a smooth workflow throughout the day, which benefits both the team and the customer. 20. How do you assist in maintaining plumbing fixtures? I help in routine maintenance by cleaning aerators, flushing water heaters, checking seals, and inspecting fixtures for leaks or wear. I gather tools, follow the plumber's instructions, and handle minor adjustments. I assist in replacing worn washers, tightening fittings, and ensuring fixtures operate smoothly. Proper maintenance helps prevent costly repairs, improves efficiency, and extends the life of plumbing systems. My role is to support these efforts with attention to detail and a commitment to delivering consistent, high-quality service to customers. 21. How do you work under pressure when deadlines are tight? I prioritize tasks and focus on efficiency without compromising quality. I communicate with the lead plumber to adjust the workflow as needed. I avoid unnecessary distractions and remain organized to complete tasks on time. If challenges arise, I address them quickly by finding solutions or seeking guidance. Staying calm under pressure allows me to perform consistently and maintain safety. I understand that meeting deadlines is important for customer satisfaction and for keeping the project schedule on track in competitive plumbing work. 22. What's your experience with drain cleaning? I have assisted in clearing blockages using plungers, augers, and drain snakes. I prepare the work area to prevent mess, gather necessary tools, and follow the plumber's guidance during the process. I understand the importance of identifying the cause of clogs to prevent future issues. I also help in flushing lines and testing drainage afterward. My role in drain cleaning is to provide effective support, ensure safety, and contribute to a successful, thorough, and lasting solution for both residential and commercial clients. 23. How do you assist in soldering or welding pipes? I prepare the pipes by cleaning and sanding the ends to ensure a strong bond. I gather soldering equipment, flux, and fittings, and position materials for the lead plumber. I follow all safety measures, including wearing protective gloves and goggles. I help by holding pipes steady, applying flux, and assisting in heating the joints. After completion, I assist in leak testing. My goal is to make the process smooth, efficient, and safe, while learning proper techniques to enhance my plumbing skills. 24. How do you keep up with new plumbing technologies and methods? I stay informed by observing experienced plumbers, reading trade publications, and watching instructional videos from reliable sources. I also attend training sessions when available. Being open to learning and practicing new methods allows me to stay current in the field. I take note of new tools, materials, and fittings that can improve efficiency and quality. This proactive approach ensures I can support modern plumbing work effectively and adapt to changing industry standards, benefiting both my team and customers. 25. Why do you want to work as an assistant plumber? I enjoy hands-on work, problem-solving, and learning technical skills. Plumbing offers a stable career with opportunities to grow and specialize. As an assistant plumber, I can gain valuable experience from skilled professionals while contributing to quality service for customers. I take pride in helping keep essential systems running smoothly. This role also allows me to develop the discipline, knowledge, and practical skills needed to advance in the trade and build a long-term, successful career in the plumbing industry. Succeeding in an assistant plumber interview requires technical understanding, attention to detail, and teamwork skills. By preparing thoughtful answers to these common questions, you can confidently demonstrate your abilities, professionalism, and commitment to learning in the plumbing trade.